am Ricky, and welcome to today's edition of the Mouse Bites. Now, the Mouse Bites are your latest Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Disney Cruise Line, and Universal Orlando news. Now, first things first, we have big news about the Mouse for Less. That is because we have a brand new logo, seen here, which looks fantastic. It's very simple, very minimalistic. So just exciting news that we have this brand new logo. Now, you can let us know what you think about the logo. We're also looking for any suggestions you may have that you'd like to see of things on the Mouse for Less, and you can let us know those on our social media sites. So Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. Just as a reminder, we also have the YouTube channel and Pinterest as well too, so you can let us know on any of those places, kind of any suggestions that you may have about the site. All right, let's get to the Disney news now. So Splitsville at Disney Springs is officially opening, and they are reopening, I guess I should say, and they are reopening on July 10th. That is going to be this Friday. Now, the bowling alley is open on the west side of Disney Springs, and they have shared via their social media that they will be taking great measures to engage and serve guests safely. Now, the location will put a focus on things like social distancing, single-use menus, and sanitizing their games. And to prepare guests on the steps that they are taking, they did share a video that you can take a look at. It is on the Mouse for Less in our news section. Now, Splitsville's operating hours will be Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. until 9 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday from noon until 9 p.m. Now, guests can make dining reservations and bowling reservations ahead of time, and you can find those links on the news section in this article on the Mouse for Less. That's going to do it for all the news that I have for you today. Make sure you follow along with the Mouse for Less on all of our social sites, like I said those earlier. Also, the Mouse for Less, the Magic for Less Travel is a sponsor of the Mouse Bites. So if you are looking to book a Walt Disney World or Disneyland or any kind of Disney destination vacation, the agents at the Magic for Less Travel are more than happy to assist you, and they will give you a free, no obligation quote. You can just go to their website and you'll find the button to find the ability to make that request. All right, we're going to see you all the next time on the Mouse Bites. Have a great day, everyone.